Kunabantu abathathu asebeboshiwe. Bathathu.
Amaphoyisa anethemba lokuthi laba abathathu ababoshiwe ngamanye amacala banezimpendulo ngecala lokusocongwa komndeni waseNgobozana.
You arrest somebody for a specific case in which he or she is a suspect. And while doing work, there's always possibility that he or she may be a person of interest in another case.
Kanti futhi aseyithendeni zomunye umsolwa wesine ocele empunzini naye usolwa ngamacala ehlukene elusikisiki.
There is a firearm recovered last night in one of the suspects, but it's one of those that we are still pursuing. Unfortunately, he wasn't arrested. He was able to get away, but we are hot on his heels. We will be able to get him. Will be he'll be the fourth one to the three that are currently arrested.
Izakhamuzi zaseNgobozana sezilala obenyoni selokhu kwabulawa amalungu omndeni owodwa ayishumi elusikisiki.
We do have police that are in this area, proactively so, and of course there is a lot of other members of the intelligence structures that are deployed in the area, combing and getting to all sorts of cases that we might be head of, and including firearms if we hear about firearms. Hence, we were able last night to find an Uzi semi-automatic pistol that we recovered. So we will continue being in this area. We understand it is tense, people don't feel safe, hence the deployment will remain here until the place is stabilized.
Likhona ithemba ngokuboshwa kwabathinteka ekubulaweni komndeni.
We fully understand the interest of the family to see a breakthrough. We fully understand the interest of the country. But with the work done so far, having been the benefit to be part of the briefing given to the minister, the team is doing good work, and we're confident as a province that a breakthrough will be made.
Abomthetho banxusa umphakathi kuba usebenzisane nabo ukulwa nobugebengu bese wehlisa amaphaphu ngoba uphephile.